Hello guys, good morning, good morning, good
Good
morning.
morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Konnichiwa, konnichiwa, konnichiwa.
Sir, konnichiwa is Japanese.
Yeah, I know Japanese. No, I know that. How are you guys? I'm doing good. How are you? You're good? Ira, how are you? Simil, you took a long weekend?
I'm good.
Yeah, very good.
How are you?
Good. Yesterday was not. No. Okay. So, we were doing linear equation in two variable and we were doing word problem types of questions. Okay. So, we'll start our class. Give me a second. Okay, so we did the sum of two variable wala question and you guys did it and I saw you are able to do that. Now we'll do more questions. Okay, now we'll do some hard questions. Okay, so okay, this is your question. Perimeter of a rectangular garden is 20 meters. If the length is 4 meters more than the breadth, find the length and breadth of the garden. Okay, so this type of question, first of all, do you know what is the perimeter of rectangle? Anybody
Yes, sir.
knows?
I know it. I know it.
Okay, so Edric, tell me.
Sir, it is 2 into length plus breadth.
Very good. 2 into length plus. Okay. So first of all, I want Simeon help. Okay, Simeon, please unmute your mic. And Simeon, tell me, how will you form an equation with the help of this line? So, do you know any length, Simeon? You're muted right now. Can you hear me, Simeon? Am I audible to you? Simeon, Simeon. Can you message anybody? Message Simeon. You find the answer. No, I want how will you make an equation?
One second. I'm just typing equation.
Yes. The length is 4 meters more than the breadth. So we don't know length. So I will write let the length be let the length of the
I,
breadth. So I am taking length is L and B is 3. So Ira, how will you write the equation now?
Then that's the length of the garden.
Yeah, if the length
is 4m
is
4m, and then the breadth will be x.
no. Can you read this underline part again?
If the length is 4m,
Length, we will taking length as L, is as equals to down now.
equals
Now
to
read.
4m more than the breadth.
Yeah, so how will you write?
4m length is equal to 4m, then the breadth.
4M, 4M,
Huh?
4M.
Then the breadth. So,
What do you mean by more than?
more than is plus breadth. So plus x.
So 4 plus breadth, because we take breadth as B and length as L, that's why. Did you understand?
Yes.
Now, Joshua, what is the perimeter of a rectangular garden? Can you tell me?
2 into L plus B.
No, I will write it on the 2 into L plus. Now, Joshua, what we will do? Joshua,
So what did you say?
now what we will do?
Replace the L with the value of 4 plus B.
Yeah. And we know the perimeter also, so we will replace that thing also. The perimeter of rectangle is given as 20. So I will write 20. It is equals to 2 into, and I will replace the value of L of it becomes 4 plus B plus B. Did you understand? No. Okay. Now 20 is equals to 4, sorry, 2 into 4 plus B. Now this and this multiply. 20 is equals to 8 plus 4b. So this will become minus. So it becomes 12 is equals to 4b. Divide. So 12 upon 4b. B is equals to. So I got b is equals to b. If you put the value of b into this, so you will get less equals to 4 b. So I got less as less as 7. Did you understand?
So,
Yes, yes, Joshua.
yeah, I didn't get the. How does the 2 come?
Which part, beta?
Yeah, 2 into L length plus breadth.
This is the formula. You have to remember this formula. The length of a rectangle is 2 into L plus. This formula you have to remember. Okay?
Okay. So 2 is part of the formula.
Yeah, 2 is the part of the formula.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yeah, who is asking? Epic, yes.
sir, I did it a different way, sir.
In a different way? What way you did?
Okay, so first I took x equal to y plus 4, x minus y equal to 4. Then 2 into L plus B equal to 2 into x plus y equal to 20. So 2x plus 2y equal to 20. Then I used the elimination method and I got 4x equals to 28, x equals to 7. You know, x is length and breadth is y.
It's
So
okay. You did
then
it. It's
7,
correct.
then 7 minus y equal 7 minus y equal to 4, y equal to 3. So that's how I got length is 7 and breadth as 3.
Yes, I know. You're saying something.
How did it become like 2b instead? Like 20 equal to 2, 4 plus b plus b.
So B plus B. What is B plus B?
2 b's?
That's all. No, remember this thing. Remember this thing. By B into B is basically B square, but B plus B is equals to Q. Don't get confused. Okay? Understood? No. Hey Joshua, any problem? No. Can I raise this? Deshaun, did you understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
No doubt. Good. Turn on the camera, Betya,
Sir?
Joshua, everyone, please. Yeah.
Sir, why you wrote b square? Only the highest power is 1. There's no b square in linear equations.
No, no. There's a doubt from Ira that b plus b is b square. No, it's not b plus b is b square. It's b into b. That's why I wrote b into b as b square. Okay. Shall I raise this, guys?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we'll do one more question. Do this question, guys. Now, everyone, listen. How to do these questions? I want Dishron help. Dishron, please help me. So, how will you make the equation, Dishron? Please unmute your mic and say.
Asha is 5 years old and Robert, let's say A is equal to 5 plus R.
So, we'll take Asha, age, B, X, and Robert,
Age b y.
age, B, Y. So, what you're saying now, Dishron?
X is equal to 5 plus Y.
5 plus Y. Yeah, perfect. Then, second equation.
X minus 5 is equal to 2Y. 2
Okay. So, this is correct equation. Second equation gonna be like this. For example, Dishron, what is your age right now?
13.
Mine age is 23. 20, what's my age? 23. Yeah, 23. Sorry. Mine age is 23. So, if Deshron, before 5 years, what's your age, Deshron?
7.
Wow, 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 wow. 8.
8.
Yeah. So, before 5 years, if Deshron is 8 year old, then I am also 20, I'm also 18 years old. Yes? Did you understand? So it means that 5 years ago, if Asha, if you're doing like right now, the present age of Asha is X, and 5 years ago, the age of Asha will be Ira. What will be the age of the Asha 5 years ago?
5 years before.
Right now, the age of Asha is X. What will be the age 5 years ago?
So 5 less than X.
Yeah, so it means that X minus 5. Did you understand? Yes? And Simeon, what will be the age of Robert 5 years ago?
y minus 5.
Yes. Good. Robert's age will be y minus 5. Now just on make the equation. The second equation, please. Yes, Yashram.
X minus 5 is equal to 2 into y minus 5.
Yes. So now if I will solve it little, it will become 2y minus 10. So x is equals to 2y minus 10 minus, sorry, plus 5. So x equals to 2y minus 5. So x minus 2y is equals to minus 5. This is the second equation. Now this is the first and this is the second. Now you guys solve it and tell me the answer. Did you understand, guys? Joshua, did you understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
Pakka? Okay,
Yeah.
quickly write it down. Okay, good. Quickly write it down. Edric, you got the answer?
Not yet, sir.
Quickly do it, beta. Damian, you got the answer?
Almost.
Hmm?
Sir, what you've written in the end in the box, what is minus 2?
Where minus 2, beta?
After minus 5, minus 2, where did minus 2 come from?
Minus 5, minus 2. Minus 2, why? Just give me a
Oh,
second. Hello?
yes.
हाँ फैमिली है क्या? हाँ हाँ आ सकते हैं पर हम मकान मालिक क्या रहते नहीं हैं अभी तो पास में पड़ोस में होंगे अंकल जी उनसे आप बात कर लीजिएगा रहते रहते हैं नीचे भी रहते हैं और ऊपर भी रहते हैं नीचे फैमिली रहते हैं और ऊपर जो है 2 रूम में वहाँ लड़के रहते हैं हाँ हाँ और पीछे आगे वाले में तो आप रहेंगे अगर आपको पसंद आता है और पीछे वाले में फैमिली रहती है नर्सेज है हाँ फर्स्ट यस यस सिमेन you have doubt
I was asking what is that minus 2?
Where is minus 2
After that, x minus 2y equals minus 5, then minus 2
Mhm.
you get.
No, no, it's not minus 2. This is first equation and this is second equation. This is not minus 2.
Oh,
It's called as first equation and second equation. Now you have to solve it to get the answer. So just on what answer you got? You didn't get it? Which part you didn't get it, beta?
How to use the equations to get the answer?
Simple, the substitution method. Like you have to substitute the value of x into this. Now you got it? What is it, Prashant? You have to find the value of x and y. So there are two methods, substitution or elimination. Just on. What breakfast you had? Jason? Dosa. You mean what you ate in breakfast?
appam and beef stew.
Wow. And Ira, what you ate?
Food and egg.
Oh. Edric, what you ate? Edric, try to say. Okay, I ate scolding from mama. So that I ate. Okay, done. You didn't get it, guys. Ira, you didn't get the answer.
Sir, I
Why?
got it.
Okay, good.
Should I send it in the chat now?
Mine. Yeah, write it down, now, please.
Got the answer, sir.
Yeah, good.
Sir, I sent the answer.
Got the answer.
So whose age is X and whose age is Y?
Asha is X and Robert is Y.
Yeah,
Yeah,
same
so
for
it means
me.
that Asha age is
15,
15 and Robert's age is
10.
10. Yes, good. Okay. Done? Shall I this? Now this question you guys will do it. Do it. Then after 2 minutes I will start doing it.
Got the answer.
Got the answer? Send it to me.
Even I got it.
Very good. Too fast, no? Bette, you got the answer?
Not yet.
I took Rahim's age as X and Rahim's father's age as Y.
It's okay. You can take anything. Now Rahim's father is there. So Rahim's father I took it as X. Age means equals to 3 times means 3 multiplied by Y. Did you listen, guys? Yes. So, and it is the sum of their ages 56. So sum of their age is 56. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. I will put it here. It will become 3y plus y is equals to 56. 4y is equals to 56. Y is equals to 56 by 4. So it will become
Sir, I sent the answer.
16. So y is equals to 16. Then
No,
x equals
14,
to
14. Sir, 14.
sorry 14. So y x equals to 14 into 3 x is equals to 42. So in the last, you have to write this statement, okay? That Rahim's age is 14 and Rahim's father is 42 years old. Did you listen, guys? In the last, you have to write it down like this, okay? Did you get it, Ira? No. Ask me, please. Any doubt you have? Ira?
I'm just wondering how the father is 14.
No, no, no. Why is Rahim's age, no? So Rahim's age, I'm getting 14, but Rahim's father age is 42. So you have to mention in the last like this. Again, now the question which I am doing, this is the important question as well as difficult question. So everyone has to do it in that
Not
way.
even
Okay.
difficult, sir. It's very easy question.
Okay, that's good if you know it. So I'm erasing this. Shall I erase this?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah. So now the question which I'm asking is this one. Now don't write anything until we'll complete it. Okay. Okay. Now listen. Two places are A and B are 100 kilometers apart. One car starts from A, another car starts from B at the same time. If they travel in the same direction, they will meet after 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, then they will meet in 1 hour. So what is the speed of the car? Assume that speed of the car is A is more than speed of the car is B. Okay, now listen, guys. Listen. So, for example, this is A point and this is B point. Okay, so I will make a car for you. This is B point. Okay, now we'll take this car speed as x kilometer per hour and this car speed as y kilometer per hour. Now, these two cars have a distance of 90 kilometer. How much distance is there? 90 kilometer. Now it is said
Not
that
90, 100.
oh sorry 100 kilometer. Now it is said if they will move in the same direction. For example, if car is moving towards this and car is also moving in this direction, so they will like if they are moving in the same direction, they will meet after 5 hours. So it means that like for example, if D point they are meeting, so it takes 5 hours. So this car also takes 5 hours to reach at D point, and this car also takes 5 hours to reach the point D. Did you understand what I'm trying to say, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And if they move in opposite direction, for example, if car A is moving this and car B
C
is
point.
moving in this,
They'll
so
meet
they
at the
will
C
meet
point. C.
they will meet at C point. Like this is the C point. Okay. So car A took how many hours? 1 hour to
1 hour.
reach is C point, and car B also take 1 hour to reach at C point. Now, first of all, what you have to do, you have to write let the speed of
A car
car A B
X.
x kilometer per hour and car B B
Y.
by kilometer per hour. Now you should know the speed of no, sorry, speed formula. What is the speed formula? Anybody
The
knows what is
speed
speed
formula
formula?
distance divided by time. Distance by time.
Yes, speed formula is distance upon time. Okay, now listen, guys. Now, if I will do first in same direction, we will do the in same direction. Okay, if they are in same direction, so distance travel by car A minus distance travel by car B is equals
Y
to. Now you
minus,
guys
sir.
tell
Y
me.
minus.
I'm saying no, just listen. See, distance traveled by car A, if I will do minus with the distance traveled by car B in same direction, they are going in same direction. Distance traveled by car A is this much, and distance traveled by car B is this much. If you will subtract it, what will left? This distance, which is equals to 100. Did you understand? Just run. Simeon, I am repeating again. Like car A discovered distance till AD. This is the distance covered by car A. This is the distance covered by car B. If you will subtract it, what will left behind? This distance, which is 100 kilometer. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Ira, did you
Sir, can
understand?
I repeat again?
Yeah, I'm repeating again. See, this is like how much car A distance covered? This much distance. How much car B distance covered? This much distance. If you will subtract it, what will left behind? This distance. Now, what is this distance? This is 100 kilometer. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Just not. So now what is the formula of distance? Speed into time? Yes, distance formula is speed into time. Now what is the speed of the car A? Is x, and how much time is take to put a distance d? 5 hours. It will become 5x minus this car speed is y and time 5 hours. So minus 5y is equals to 100. This is the first equation. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? I didn't understand anything. Please ask me.
I understood.
Okay. Distance is basically speed into time. Speed is basically x of car A and time we take 5 hours to reach at point D. Distance traveled by car B, y is the speed and time taken is 5 hours. So 5y is equals to 100. Did you understand, guys? This is the first equation. Now, second, in in opposite direction. So if they go in opposite direction, so I have to do like this. Distance traveled by car A plus distance traveled by
Car B.
car B is equals to. Now you tell me. Now this is the basically what I am doing. Distance traveled by car A is this much, and distance traveled by car B is this much. So if you will add it, what will you get? Again 100 kilometers? Yes or no? Just run. Distance traveled by car is this much. Distance traveled by car B is this much. So if you will add it, what will you get? You will get 100 kilometer. This is 100 kilometer. Now, what is distance traveled by car is? It's speed into time. Speed is x and time is 1 hour. So it will become 1x plus 1y is equals to again 100. This is second equation. Second equation is basically x plus y is equals to 100. Did you understand? Yes or no? Just on. Ask me better. What are you saying? It's mute. You didn't understand?
I kind of understood, but
Yeah, where you find struggle? Ask me.
I'm not sure where it is that I don't understand.
Okay, so do it. We'll do one more type of question, then you will get more clearly. So now you got two equation. By the elimination or substitution, find the value of x and y. Did you understand, Ira? Simeon, Edric, Bethia, did you understand? Now quickly write it down with each steps and diagram also. Okay, and then we will then find the value of x and y. Means the speed of car A and car B. Quickly do it. Please get it down. ये तो अभी
क्या
मिक्सी बड़ा पता नहीं ना
अरे क्या आपने 12 जनों का ही बोला
हम्म,
तो 12
फिर आपका था ना
14 जन हम लेके आए चले गए हम खा लेंगे बाहर
हम्म,
बाद में वहां से जोरा से बाहर रेस्टोरेंट खा लेंगे
7 लोगों का था ना 7 तो बस 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 हो गया
12 लेके आए जो मिर्ची को पड़ा 10 बस हो गया
तो कौन रह गया कितने लोग हैं
14
14 लोग हैं कैसे 7 8 8 बस हाँ हाँ हाँ
मैं 11 दिन तो चौथा करेंगे
यस एल्ड्रिक बांट दो सबको बांट दो नहीं तो गणेश भैया गणेश भैया गणेश भैया वो बांट दो ना गरम गरम कचौरी बांट दो ना गरम गरम Okay, done. Anybody is asking something? You got the value of x and y?
So I'm still writing the question.
Okay. Hey, Done, guys?
Wait, sir. Got the answer, sir. I got the answer.
Did you send me?
Send it to you, sir. To you.
Sir, you're mute.
Okay, this is the answer. This is the answer, guys. And this is the homework. Okay. Do you understand, guys? This is the homework. Ira, please put it in the group. Okay. This homework, put it in the group. We'll end this maths class. We'll start our science class in 5 minutes. Till then, bye, Simi. Guys, go and drink water.
Bye. Thank you.
Okay, guys, come back, come back. So we did this thing. We did this part. Okay. Now today we will learn about a new thing called as circulatory medium. Hello, Johan, Jahuan. How are you guys? How are you? Good, good, very good. So today we'll learn about blood. What do you mean by blood? No, we did. No, we'll do the blood pressure part first because we didn't did this blood pressure part. So we'll do the blood pressure part. So I told you about the blood pressure. What do you mean by blood pressure? See, blood pressure is the pressure against the artery. Okay, every time remember this. Blood pressure is the force that pushes the walls of artery. So now you tell me, what do you mean by why there is a only force found in arteries? Why? Yes, Justin. Why there is a force on arteries? Why it's not on vein?
because the arteries have thick walls and a very, very small area for blood to pass through.
Okay. Okay. Any other? It's not perfect answer, but it's good answer. Anybody else? Ira, do you have any idea? Yes.
Blood away from the heart and to the rest of the
Then
body upward. So it needs more.
then okay. Good answer, but not perfect answer. Anybody else want to try? Edric, you want to try? Why there is a force in the arteries are more than the force in the vein? See, guys, heart used to do pumping, sorry, contraction, relaxation. So when it gives contraction, the blood moves in the artery. When it do relaxation, the blood moves in the vein. So contraction gives more pressure, gives more pressure on the walls of artery. That is why also the walls of arteries are thick. The walls of arteries are thick. Why it's thick? Because the walls of arteries have more contraction force. Did you understand? If the walls of arteries are thin, then it kind of bursts. The veins can burst. Okay, that's why the walls of arteries are thick. So we can understand with the example of motor. Okay, motor, pump motor. If the pump motor, the pipe which is in front of it, if it is uh, very thin, then it can burst. Okay, but if it is thick, then the walls will be there. So basically, blood pressure is the pressure which is found in the arteries, not in the vein. Okay, so uh, basically, there is a instrument from which we can find it out that what is the pressure in the artery. This instrument is called as sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer.
Manometer.
Yeah, same. That is the same one. Okay, so that meter is used to find the blood pressure. Okay, so basically, what we do that in the hand here, we put that patta type and we use the mercury to get the how much is there. Okay, so when the ventricle relax, pressure on the blood inside the artery is comparatively less. It is 80 mm. So when the heart contracts, the pressure is 120 millimeter of mercury. Okay, but when it will relax, it will be 80 millimeter per mercury. That is, it is called as 120 by 80 mm of Hg. So 80 is the, it is called as uh, diastole, diastolic stage. Yes.
Is like this sphygmomanometer like the same of a stethoscope?
No. Stethoscope is used to find the that heartbeat is there or not. But sphygmomanometer is like I will show you the picture in which they used to pump, na, pump, and then mercury that thing will go up. Understood? No, I will show you. So this 120 is basically the systolic pressure. In systolic pressure, the pressure when heart contract. Okay, when you get on the walls of the artery as 122 mm, then it is called as systolic pressure. And diastolic pressure is the pressure when heart relax. So what is the pressure on the artery? That is called as the diastolic pressure. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Now I will show you the picture of that thing. What is that? I'm not able to say. What is that, Adric? Adric?
Which one, sir?
Save genomenomic. What is the meter? Save geno. Yeah, okay. Can you see this? This picture, can you see that, guys? This is basically a sphyganometer thing, okay? In which they used to put this thing, in which they used to put this thing in your arm, and they used to pump it, and they put stethoscope on your pulse. So when you will put a pressure, and then dug 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 dug, this sound will come in your ears with the help of stethoscope. So when dug dug starts, it is called as the high, which is systolic pressure, and then dug 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 dug, dug will continue, and when it is come near 80, then dug dug sound will become very less. When it is very become very less or about to stop, that part is called as diastolic pressure. Did you understand? Yes or no?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is how it works. So just give me a second. Okay. Now we will learn about circulatory medium, and this is your homework. Okay, Ira, please write it down. Okay, this is your homework. Now circulatory medium. So what do you mean by circulatory medium, Jehovan? Yes, Jehovan. What do you mean by circulatory medium?
The thing that something circulates in.
Yes, correct. So the things which helps for the circulation means the blood is a circulatory medium in which, with the help of blood, when it is close to the veins and arteries and capillaries, it transports the system also. So basically, circulatory medium is basically founded in three types of fluid. But first is blood. Now, anybody is here who doesn't know about the blood? Okay, Betty doesn't know. So blood is basically a medium which is flowing in our body. Okay, when you will cut the hand, then Betya, blood will come out. Okay, so you should know about the blood. It's very important for the human being. If there is no blood, then you can die. Okay, so you should know. Okay, so circulatory medium is basically blood which is found in our heart, okay, Nitya, and blood vessels, which is arteries, veins, and capillaries. Did you listen? Yes or no? Okay. Now, the second is tissue fluid. The tissue fluid is the fluid which is found between the cells. So I can understand it like this. Do you know truck can walk in national highway? Truck can walk in state highway. Truck can drove in normal roads. Truck can drove in your streets also. But some of the streets are there where only cycle can move. Okay, where truck cannot move. So it means that there is some blood which is called as tissue fluid Okay, it got filtrated from the vessels only. Okay, the tissue fluid is the medium which is filtrate from the tissue only, where the cells will cannot move, but the transportation like oxygen transport or the food transport, nutrient transport that can be happen. Okay, so this is called as tissue fluid. Understood? Yes or no? And the third part is lymph. Lymph is the vessels which are found in spleen and tonsils. We'll learn more about lymph. Okay. So first is blood. Now blood, as it's new for Vidya. So blood is a connective tissue that circulates throughout the body. Okay, it circulates throughout the body. It's not there. It's only in brain, but it's throughout the body, and it is made up of fluid, is plasma and blood cells. So the fluidity of the blood is defined by the plasma. Plasma is the main thing from where the cells used to flow on it. Understood? Cells used to flow on it. Okay, like red blood cells, white blood cells, blood platelets, there are three types of bloods are there: red blood cells, white blood cells, and blood platelets. So now red blood cells is basically red in color. Okay, they are circular in shape and contains red color pigment called as hemoglobin. Okay, hemoglobin is there. So now I want to ask one question from Ida. Why red in color? No. What is the role of hemoglobin?
It carries oxygen.
Yes, it carries what?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. It's also called as oxygen carrier. Okay, so it carries oxygen as well as carbon dioxide also. Okay, it carries oxygen as well as carbon dioxide also. So it means that, see, carbon dioxide and oxygen carrier. So this basically done by hemoglobin. Now I want to ask one question from Edric. Edric, why it is said that you don't have to प्लेट्स नहीं दिया उन्होंने प्लेट्स नहीं दिया
Black night, yeah.
देखो दिया होगा देते हो why it is said दिनेश भाई के पास दोनों वो कर देंगे उनको हाँ ये कैसे नहीं दिया यार दिनेश भाई के पास दो वो देखते हैं why it is said that you don't have to do a bonfire in the closed room Edric
Yes.
why it is said that you do bonfire in a closed room why
So it's not. That means it's not bonfire in the closed room.
yeah why it is said
Sir, because the fire will become too hot, no, and the room will become too hot. The hot air
no
cannot
no
escape the room.
No, even like bonfire, if it is doing, it is the outside is very cold. Na? That's why we are doing bonfire. Na? So outside is
Inside
very
is very hot.
cold.
It needs to like the hot air needs to escape.
No. Even if you will do like sigri, we have one story in which a person put a sigri. Sigri, how will I say sigri? It's like coal fire. I mean, it's not fire, but it's just a like hot coal. Hot coal, hot reddish coal. It's not giving
Coal,
any fire, but it. Sorry, Johan want to say something.
sir, coal.
Burning coal, but it's not giving fire. So it's giving only red color. So it gives heat, not fire in sense. So it is called a sigri. In Hindi, it's called a sigri. In English, I don't know what to say. Just give me a second. Okay, so it's called basically in English called as Sigri, but in English I don't know what it is. Okay, so why it is said? Yes, Edric, you were saying answer.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Like, is
No
Sigrid
idea.
No idea.
Okay, okay. Yes, I was saying something. Yes, Ira.
like smoke?
No, even in Sigri there is no smoke. If it is dry coal is there. Anybody have any idea? Just on Jahan, do you have any idea why you are not doing that Sigri part in close room?
Because it eats up all the oxygen that you require. You think
Yeah, it is correct answer, but not perfect answer.
also the carbon monoxide it will combine with the hemoglobin.
Yeah, that is correct. Perfect. Okay, so listen, guys. See, when wood is burned, when wood is burned, okay, in the in the good amount of oxygen, in the good amount of oxygen, then you know what will happen? Carbon dioxide is formed. But when wood or coal or anything is burned in limited amount of oxygen, then carbon monoxide is formed. And this carbon monoxide is more affinated than carbon dioxide and oxygen. Means hemoglobin loves carbon monoxide more as compared to oxygen and carbon dioxide. So what will happen that when if there is a closed room, there's a lot of carbon monoxide is there. And we will inhale that carbon dioxide and hemoglobin will make a bond with that. They instead of oxygen they will make carbon monoxide with the bond and they will take that into the body, which can feel us as dizziness, which can take us to like unconsciousness, which can even fatal to death. So this is very important. Okay, to have a bonfire or sigri in the open area, so that the maximum amount of oxygen should be there, and we will survive. We have one story in cold region. There's the camp, and in that cold camp, they put that sigri, the charcoal fire, in the camp only. And when they put in the camp, then there is a like in night they put because there is very cold outside the camp also and inside the camp also. But when people came to see to them, then they are unconscious. They are not able to get up. Okay. So why it's so? Because of the carbon monoxide. Understood? So carbon monoxide is very dangerous for the health. That's why, when you've heard many things like the person who went to clean sewage died if they don't have proper instrument because in that there is a lot of gas. Uh, for example, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide gives they become
Sir?
bond
Sir?
their body.
Sir? Sir?
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
carbon monoxide is a pollutant and carbon dioxide is not a pollutant.
Carbon dioxide is also waste for us. We can't say it's polluted. For our human being, it's waste. For plants, it's intake. For plant, oxygen is wastage. So basically, carbon dioxide, if you will increase the level of carbon dioxide, you can see the global warming. Right now, we are seeing in our place. Okay, usually it has a lot of uh, hot days, but right now it's good. There is no hot days because we had rain yesterday. So it was not there. So global warming is basically the change of weather, change of climate. So carbon dioxide, if it is more, then also it is there. But carbon monoxide, gives the chance to meet with Jesus if you inhale the carbon monoxide. Okay. Okay. Now erythrocytes. Erythrocytes. Erythrocytes is basically is also called as red blood cell. Okay, erythrocyte is also called as red blood cell. Okay, in which it is basically red in color because of hemoglobin. Now leukocyte, it is called as WBC, white blood cell. So, for example, when you get cold, you sometimes get fever also. So fever is basically, huh?
Not me, not
What
me,
happened?
not me.
Yeah, but fever is basically the fight of the body against that germs. So, for example, just on why we boil the milk? Why we boil the milk?
To get all germs or anything that might be in there out.
So to kill the germs, so that they will not change the state of the milk. They will not make the paneer. So basically, we do boil the germs. I mean, we do boil that milk. So the same mechanism, our body also uh, boils us, means gives us fever, so that our body germs are there. They can be uh, died in our body. So this is called as white blood cells, and now blood platelets. Blood platelets is also called as thrombocytes. So, for example, you have a cut, a small cut. So you checking, then after some time the blood will stop. Why? Why the blood will stop? Because it is like
Because the
that.
blood will
For
clot.
example,
The blood will clot.
yes, and the clotting work is done by the
Platelet.
platelets only. Okay, so for example, if you got this thing, the blood will flow, but some blood will come out from this part also. So what the platelet will do, it is called as phagocytis, or we can say clotting. The platelet will come and it will stuck here, so that the blood won't go out, but the blood will normally flow. And quickly the skin will regenerate, the part will regenerate, and it makes a normal thing. Now, what is the function of blood? Blood function is to carry oxygen, waste material, and everything to the every part of the plant. Did you listen, guys? Yes or no? Yeah. So, did you listen, guys? Till here? Any problem? No? So we'll stop here only, and we'll do tomorrow. We'll complete the chapter tomorrow, I guess. If we are not clear. No, it is there. It's long here. We can't continue tonight. So I hope you enjoyed the class, and bye. Have a nice signing to Sayonara.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Hi,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Thank
Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Sure.